Hi friends, today I'll show you how I do my eyebrows. So these are two pencils, this is brown and this is black. So I use brown pencil because this is very natural. When I'm not doing any makeup, just to highlight my eyebrow, I use this brown. And when I'm doing makeup, as in there's base and everything, brown looks a little less, so that's why I use this black. So today I'll show you my eyebrows with this black pencil. Okay, this is a pencil, this has a brush. Just brush your eyebrows first. And now, I like to keep it a little natural. I don't keep it like really dark. Yeah, I can go a little darker too. I don't really create extra lines, I just go with my eyebrow line and just fill. Like here I have too much gap in here. That's natural, so I kind of just fill those areas and see, can you just see the difference, this and this? Okay. This one. This is actually jet black. I'm like really doing it very lightly so that it doesn't look too dark. So my eyebrows are done. So as I told you, I use these two pencils. This is black and this is brown. Black I use it when I'm applying a base, and this is when I'm not using any base, It's very natural. See, I'll just show you the color. This is black and this is brown. And black also, it's really very dark. I think you should apply it very lightly. Can you see the shade? You should apply it lightly, otherwise it will look too dark and very unnatural. I prefer my makeup to be very light, very natural. So this is how I did my eyebrows.